Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Windows Remote Desktop for home access, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Windows Remote Desktop for home access, start by checking your Windows version. Make sure you are using a compatible version of Windows, such as Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Now, click on the Start button and type Settings in the search bar. Select the Settings app from the search results. In the Settings window, look for System and click on it. Next, scroll down and find Remote Desktop in the left sidebar. Toggle the switch to enable Remote Desktop. A confirmation window may appear, asking for your approval to enable Remote Desktop. Click Confirm to proceed. After enabling, it's important to note the full computer name listed under How to connect to this PC. Next, let's configure your firewall settings. Click on the Start button and type Windows Defender Firewall in the search bar. Open the Windows Defender Firewall settings. On the left side, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Change Settings button, then find Remote Desktop in the list. Ensure both private and public options are checked. Next, it's time to set up your user account for remote access. Go back to the Remote Desktop settings by revisiting the Settings app. Under User Account Options, click on Select Users that can remotely access this PC. In the Remote Desktop Users window, click Add. Type the username of the account you want to give access to, then click Check Names to verify. Click OK to add the user. Now, let's configure your router for remote access. Access your router's configuration page by typing your router's IP address into a web browser. Log in with your router username and password. Look for the port forwarding section in the router settings. Create a new port forwarding rule for remote desktop, typically forwarding TCP port 3389 to your PC's local IP address. Ensure you save the settings before exiting the router configuration. Next, make a note of your public IP address by searching What is my IP in a web browser. To connect to your PC remotely, go to the device you want to use for access. Open the Remote Desktop Connection application. In the Computer field, enter your public IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.